You may have heard about the real estate lawsuit against the National Association of Realtors. You may have heard that there was a settlement. But have you heard what the effect is of that settlement on real estate sales here on the Eastern Shore? Information you need to know. Hello, I'm David Black. My wife Colleen and I are realtors with eXp Realty in Fairhope. Whether you're looking to buy or sell property, August 17, 2024 is an important date. That's when changes take effect because of Sitzer-Burnett. That's the lawsuit filed against NAR. The settlement from that agreement sets new rules on buyers, sellers, and us as realtors. This doesn't mean any big change to the way real estate sales happen, but it will mean more paperwork. You'll be asked to sign agreements specifying various terms. We have always advised our clients to make sure that you understand everything you're signing, and if you don't understand, to ask first. Here's what's new. Let's say you're a buyer and you'd like to see a home for sale. We'll be required to have you sign documents before viewing the property. These documents describe the various ways that a realtor can represent you. And this is important because you'll need to decide which of those ways best suits your situation. Maybe you want us to be your full-service agent, helping you with advice on negotiations and pricing. Or maybe you don't need full-service representation, but you just need assistance with gaining access to a property and perhaps writing an offer if you decide. Either way is fine. We will also be required to show you how much money we charge for our services. This fee is not set by law and is fully negotiable. We will also ask you to sign a document confirming your understanding of our fees. Just as there are different ways an agent can represent you, there are different ways an agent can be compensated. If you're a buyer, it's possible the seller might agree to pay for the services of the buyer's agent. This has happened many times over the years and is still an option. If the seller declines, there are other possible ways that a buyer's agent can be compensated. The requirement that buyers sign representation agreements before viewing properties is a mandate from the lawsuit settlement. By the way, this requirement does not apply to open houses. If you're a seller offering buyer agent compensation, the settlement means a change for you too. In the past, MLSs mentioned that sellers were offering compensation as part of the listing, but no more. MLSs are now prohibited from mentioning compensation to a buyer's agent, even though it's still perfectly fine to offer it. Go figure. Real estate sales involve a lot of negotiation. The price, the terms, the dates, the compensation agents receive, it's all negotiable. If, throughout the negotiations, there's something you're not comfortable with, you can always say no. Real estate sales are still going to happen. In fact, many transactions ahead probably won't see much effect, if any, from this settlement, but others may. The days of buyers breezing through a home to look it over before signing anything are over. If you're thinking of buying or selling property, your best course of action right now is to get information. That's because in real estate transactions, knowledge is power. So reach out to us. We are happy to help you navigate through these changes and answer any questions that you have. There's no cost for this and there's nothing to sign. It's just information to help you. We do hope you'll keep in mind that these settlement changes are mandated on realtors nationwide. We hope you found this information useful. I'm David Black. We hope you'll contact us if we can be of assistance. We leave you now with a few scenes of living, loving Fairhope. Peace be with you.
Just make some more romance with you, my love.
Holy cow.
One more dance with you. My